Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get puzzle in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. There are two methods that you can try to get puzzle. The first one, you can buy the puzzle from Catching's general store, or you can buy it from the event store. And then you can also get the puzzle by completing a quest or a challenge. And I'm going to show you where you can purchase the puzzle. You can go to Catching NPC. You can track her on the map. Search right here. You can track her and then you can talk to her to open up her store. Okay, you can scroll down until you find the puzzle box. Okay, you have two options, or you can go to the Fashion Wave store. So this store is limited during the winter frost season. Okay, go to Fashion Wave store and then you will be able to buy this puzzle, Snow Concert Puzzle box. Okay, you can also get the puzzle from completing a quest. And wait, let me show you the puzzle that I have in my backpack. Okay, this one. I think I got this puzzle from completing a quest, but I do not remember which quest that gave me this puzzle. And once you have puzzle, you can go to your house and start arranging the puzzle. Okay, I've arrived at my house and then I'm going to place the puzzle. Then you can click on the puzzle to complete it. Okay guys, and that's how you can get puzzle in Heartopia game. Hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.